I got 1,000,001 things that are broken and need fixing. I was thinking about doing this one. We call it the kabelvinda in Sweden. And this one has been burned actually. So that's no good. We can't use this one. But all this cord is not broken. Only this part that's bad. So I was thinking of reusing this, putting on a new socket. So in the simplest way, we cut off the wire like so. You can buy extra sockets and plugs. I'm gonna open up this socket, strip the wire, put them together again, and it's good as new. We've got a screw here. Yeah, you can buy these in the store. They're all sort of different. I don't know really how this one is supposed to work. This seems like a fancy one. Oh, there. So we're supposed to attach the wire, the electrical wire here, and the earth in the middle goes to these parts. It's a safety feature. And this one is the most important part. It's I call it the bridge. It's to keep the cord from slipping out. And it's a very important safety feature. So let's strip the wire. We'll just make a clean cut. To start with, I'll use a sharp knife to strip the outer wire. Just make a shallow cut. I don't want to damage the wires inside. It's good to have a close look so you see that you don't have any exposed metal, exposed wires here. This looks good. Gonna measure the distance. Wire in there, there, like so. So that looks like a good length. Just snip it off there. Make the blue one the same length. And the earth is the green and yellow one. And if you're struggling with which wire is which, you should not do this at home. I think in Sweden you don't have to have an education to do this, but in your local area maybe you have to have some credentials. And if you don't have one of these nifty wire cutters, you could use a sharp knife and just strip the wires this way. Be careful so you don't cut off any of the metal wires. So now I open everything up, put everything in the right spot, close it, and we're good to go. And one important thing, before you do that, I almost forgot, you have to put this part of the socket on first before you attach everything. Oh, perfect fit. Now we're ready to put on the rest of the socket. Take off the bridge. You don't have to attach them in a particular order. Put in the earth there. Make sure it's all the way and attach the screw. Go, pull it a bit. Got the earth in the right place. Just put in the leading wires, slide them in the right spot. I think I'll remove the bridge. Yeah, it was a bit in the way. It's a bit hard to see, but you should slide in the wire between the clamps properly. Hold them together, clamp it down. Do it on the other side. Slide it in between the clamps, like so. And tighten the screw on this side too. And now to the most important part. The red clamp here, or the bridge as I call it, it's supposed to clamp down on the cord here. So if someone yanks the cord, it won't come loose and no one will get electrocuted. So this one needs to be properly installed. And before I clamp it down, I push the cord inwards. So it comes in as far as possible. There we go. Now we've got a nice tight fit. I pull it a bit, make sure everything is connected nicely. Remember, I put this part of the socket on before, otherwise this would be a problem, you know. So you have to think of that part. Put it on here and make sure that everything fits in the right spot. This is a good socket because you don't have to think that much. Everything goes in the right place. Put the screw in. Oops. Tighten it properly. That's perfect. All done. Now I got lots of cord here that there was nothing wrong with. Can use it to lots of good things rather than throw it away. Now to the next project. What should I choose?